I made a music video where I quickly gained over 300,000 views. It took me only 10 minutes to create this mix. After uploading it, the results were impressive. This is not a coincidence. My other mix video, in just as short a time, got over 100,000 views on a channel that had no subscribers. I'm a genius, don't you think? What do you think is the secret behind this? The essence is that viewers first see your thumbnail, and later, they read the video title. In my previous videos, the thumbnail was very similar to the thumbnails of the most famous music channels like Trap Nation. At that moment, people's previous experiences with the most renowned music channels promised very good content. Human psychology is the key to success on YouTube. Viewers click on a video that instantly provides them with what they're looking for. They don't think about the channel at all. I guarantee that before they clicked on my video, they thought it was one of the most well-known YouTube channels. As we can see, viewers stuck around because in that video, I included music that is highly popular and widely listened to all over the world. They enjoyed it almost until the end, even though it lasted over 30 minutes. I would also like to draw attention to the title. My title was 50 Cent, Busta Rhymes, Tupac. You'll agree with me that we all adore them. Besides the fact that we adore them, these artists promise high-quality music. These are 3 reasons why there were so many views. The video provided people with what they needed, which is good music. The trust inherited from other popular YouTube channels. Good and high-quality content throughout the entire video. The biggest issue with such videos on YouTube is that they violate copyright, and monetization is impossible. However, there is a solution to this problem, and that is creating original music based on artificial intelligence. If I hadn't told you this, you'd probably have wasted several months of your precious life. There are numerous music channels that earn a lot of money by uploading original and simple music, such as chilly music, fluidified, relaxed chill-out music. Now, we're going to create our original music and a cover for it. We'll Google Nubart. After entering the website, we'll see that it offers us the possibility to create music based on genre, mood, and activities. I'm going to create a mix of chill and night music. After we select the genre and press Generate Track, our musical piece will be ready in just a few seconds. We'll create a few different ones to have a longer video duration. Now, we need to create a cover that's similar to popular YouTube channels. We'll make a Homer Simpson character listening to music at night. We'll go to GenCraft and request it in a 16:9 format. After that, we'll turn that image into a video on Runway. And finally, we have to combine all of that in CapCut to get the following result. Thank you for watching.